What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in the Chevy key fob. So this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video of where you can purchase these batteries. We're also going to be using a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and the key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now, if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we grab our screwdriver, we're going to stick the screwdriver in that slot that the emergency key just came out of. Stick it in there just a little bit and then pry up like that. And once you get it started, you can just pull it the rest of the way off with your hands. Now we see our battery right here in the back of the key fob. Go ahead and use your screwdriver to get under the edge of the old battery. Grab our new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Now we can snap the two halves back together. Make sure this circuit board is seated in there properly. And then snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.